Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is part 2 of 15 facts you didn't know about Rubik's Cube. Now this is the second 5. I did first 5 yesterday. This is the second half today, and yes, I am laying in my bed because this quarantine got me bored. So I should be try to be posting like daily now. I've been trying, but yeah, I'm really gonna start getting daily uploads, or at least I'll try, but yeah. Let's go ahead and start. At number 6, the yellow side was a health risk. When Rubik's Cube made its way to England in 1982, health officials discovered there was more of a risk than just going out of your mind trying to solve it. The plastic discs affected to the scores were found to contain unsafe levels of lead. The biggest perpetrator, yellow, which, depending on where it's manufactured, had at least 26,250 ppm parts per million. I think I did this yesterday, but I don't know. Far more than the 2,500 ppm allowed. Number 7. I think I did this. Someone made a diamond encrusted cube. Hold on, let me see if I did this yesterday, because I'm pretty sure I did this yesterday. So I just replayed the footage. The one I uploaded, I didn't 1 through 5 like I said. But I recorded before. Tried to record multiple times before, but it kept saying I didn't have enough storage. So that's why I'm doing it part by part. But yeah. Number 7. Someone made a diamond encrusted cube. And this is a picture of the diamond encrusted cube right here. For the puzzle's 15th anniversary in 1995, Diamond Cutters International created a fully functional Rubik's Cube made out of 185 carats of diamonds, worth $1 million at the time. The company issued over 25,000 silver editions for $2,000 each. Ooh. What was that, number 6? Okay. That was number 7. Sorry, number 6. It started an art movement with cubism. Oh my gosh, all these stupid apps. With cubism already installed in art circles, the arrival of Rubik's Cube led to a variation, Rubik's Cubism. The playful name refers to practicing of using solved cubes to create a mosaic affecting artwork. In 2009, Josh Trollman crafted a homemade to Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper by using over 40,000 cubes. A later piece after Michelangelo's Hand of God took over 12,000 cubes, measured 29 by 15 feet, and weighed a ton, literally a ton. To take the sting out of his supply budget, Chilin bought Rubik's Cube knockoffs from China at $1 each. So this man, he had spent $12,000. Oh, that's a lot. I wouldn't even spend that much. I wouldn't spend that much, but at one time though, oh no. I still don't know how people spend $300 on Rubik's Cube just for a video. Number 9. Will Smith may have helped popularize it again. When the Rubik's Cube, let me spin this real quick. That's all I can expand it. Go over. That's the picture. While the Rubik's Cube always been a perennial seller, some years have been better than others. In 2006, sales experienced an upstick after the puzzle was featured in the pursuit of happiness. Will Smith's character is seen solving it quickly to lead a potential business associate known he's got some brain power. The Rubik scene was in the trailer and it blew up from there. Joe Ciclino, a spokesman winning movies with shares Q manufacturing in America with Hasbro, told the New York Times it was a perfect confluence of events. With the movie and with a new generation, 27 years later, getting turned onto the cube in 2008, sales hit a high of 15 million globally. And number 10. Someone sold it while falling from an airplane. With so many world records, Rubik's world records, finding a new angle could be difficult. Dan Knight decided to get a new perspective. In 2003, the cube enthusiast jumped from a plane at 12,000 feet, giving him roughly 45 seconds of free fall to solve the cube. Before his parachute will have to be opened, he drilled a hole in the cube and tried to tie it to a loop on his wrist so it wouldn't fall. The jump, which was used on by cable network, was VH1 was successful. Knight solved it in 32 seconds. And that's all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe to Facing Cubing for more content like this. I know that I only have 12 subscribers, but let's try to get 100 by May 9th, because that's my birthday, and that'll be a good birthday gift to have 100 subscribers in 1 month. Make sure you like and subscribe, like I said, and make sure you share this with other friends and family. And yeah, see you in the next video.